Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is Muhammad Khair, math teacher of KKI Schools. Today we will revise how to write the percent as a fraction or as a decimal. We have this percent, but it is written as a fraction, okay? Don't scare, okay, my dear students. Okay, it is 9/25%. That means the first step I have to write this fraction as decimal. And how I convert this fraction as decimal? By using a long division. So the number up is in and the number down is out. And I will ask how many 25 in 9? There are 0. And you put decimal point here and 0 here. And now I ask how many 25? And in 90 there are 3 by 25 equal 75. Okay, and here we have 15. I add 0 from my pocket, and this is 6 by 25, 150. So 0 0 0. So here we have 0.36. So I erase this and write 0.36. Okay, now I have a new question now. Okay, now I have to release this one, so I write this one over 100. Okay, so it is 36 over 100. Okay, 36 hundredth over 100. I write it as it is. You see, I copy it here, and instead of percent I write over 100. Okay, my dear students, and regarding to this, what we have to do, see, is the number up have a decimal point? Yes. That means you have to move it how many steps? 1, 2. So I will move this decimal point 2 steps. This is the first step, and this is the second step. The second step is empty, so fill it with 0 and move this one here, so it will be here the decimal point. Erase the decimal point from here. Okay, erase here everything and add 0 for decoration or for the whole number. So the answer here, it is 36 10,000. This is a question number, the homework question number, yes, it is question number 7 in the homework. Okay, let us move to question number 9. Question number 9 is 810%. As we learned, this number over 100 because of this. So erase this, okay, and write over 100. Now you ask, is the number up has a decimal point? No, so create one here. And how many steps you have to move it? 1, 2. So you jump 1, sorry, you jump 1, 2, 2 digits. This is the first digit and this is the second digit. Okay, so it will be between 8 and 1 here, and erase everything else. See, erase everything. So this is the answer of question number 9. Okay, now question number 10, it is 3/10%. Again, if I have a fraction, you have to convert it to decimal directly. So instead of this, I have to write it is decimal number. Read it, 3/10. That means it is 3/10. So erase it and write 3/10. now, and I have to release this. How I release it? By write it over 100. Now I ask my question, is the number up have a decimal point? Yes. So don't create one and move how many steps? 1, 2. Why you move 2? Because we have 2 zeros down. Okay, for the empty move we add 0 and we move 2 digits here. Okay, then I erase the decimal point here. Okay, and erase everything, and I get my decimal point here and 0 for decoration. So this is number 10. Okay, and also 11. Question number 11. It is 0.25%. Again, I have a decimal already, doesn't matter. Okay, so I, instead of the percent, I write over 100 and erase this. Again, is the number up have a decimal point? Yes. So no need to create one. Just move the decimal point how many steps? 1, 2. So move it 1 step and 2 steps. Okay, and put it here. And for the empty one, what we have to do? Yes, add 0. Erase the original one here. Yes, and erase everything. And don't forget to set the decimal point here. Okay, and 0 for decoration. So it is 25 10,000. Okay, this is number 11. Okay, number 16. Number 16. Okay, it is 0.35. The same story. Instead of the percent, we write a 100 down and erase this. I don't need it. Then ask the common question, is the number up have a decimal point? Yes, it is here. How many steps you have to move the decimal point? 1 and 2. So move it 2 steps. 1 steps, 2 steps. So move it. I move it to here. So it will be here, and erase the original one, and yes, and for the empty you put the 0 here and 0 for decoration. Okay, my dear students, so it is 35 10,000. This is number 16. Now the last question here is 19. 1000%. 1000%. How I convert it? It is the easiest one. You see the percent here? Just erase it and write 100 down here. Okay, if you have zeros up and zeros down, go ahead and cancel by the same number of zeros. 1 up, 1 down, sorry. 1 down, 1 up, 1 down. Okay, so the answer is 10 over 1, which equal 10. Okay, this is a fast revision or solve 11-3 homework, some question, and the question is 7, 9, 10, 11, 19, 16 and 19. Thank you for watching, and this is Muhammad Khair, and goodbye.